Welcome to the Blackboard video series. Video for today, explanation of groups. Hey, this is a really important video to set up some background knowledge of the next video that we're going to be doing. So pay close attention because I hope it'll help kind of clarify things for you. We're going to talk about the groups explanation, and there's two kinds of groups and the purpose for each group. So let's jump right into it. And as we log on, we're going to come down to our test account. And let's start with why we're going to be using groups, okay? As classroom teachers, there's two ways that Blackboard allows you to use groups within your classrooms. First way is to put kids into a group so that you can give them differentiated instruction and give them exactly what those particular students need. So ability grouping, if you will, but like a group A, group B, group C. That's one way. Another way is to have students put it into a group so that they can do a group project and utilize information, and you might plug them. So if, let's say, a group is working in a science class and you want to throw them some content in that group on astronomy, another group is doing something in botany, they wouldn't need the same resources, and you can give each group the resources they need, but they are able to work together and share ideas between the two. Now that we understand the two kinds of groups there are, let's look at this far panel over here, because if we go down the panel at the bottom, it says users in groups. And so the temptation for most of us as classroom teachers is when we think groups, well, that's the kind of group that's an ability grouping. Putting kids in the right reading group and the great math group for their ability. That's not what this is for. This users and groups is designed for collaboration with so like group A in this case would be the ones that want to do that astronomy project, and you can group those kids together so they can share their ideas, work together on that particular thing. So that's what that is. And then the other one is going to be found over here. And let me just kind of review, because we actually created these in our last video, and I just want to take a moment and show that to you. We went right here, and we came over to this plus sign, and we created a content area, and we called that content area 4th grade language arts. And we go there, we have a group A, a group B, and a group C. In our next video, we're going to do two things. We're going to talk about taking content and putting them in each one of those groups. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to release those in what we call adaptive release, and I'm going to show you how that is done in our next video. So until the next video, have a great time. I just want to kind of refresh again your what we went over today in review. We explained the two kinds of groups. And one group is for collaboration and one is for differentiated instruction. If you want to look at other videos in this series, you can go to Facebook and just log on there. Here's the website to get to the Facebook page. Also, if you're watching this on on YouTube, if you go down to the description, I've put this right here so you can it's clickable and you can go directly there. So until the next video, have a great day.